The James Webb Space Telescope keeps giving us important new insights on the evolution of the universe. This $1 billion telescope has recently achieved an astronomical milestone by capturing the most detailed image of Proxima b, an exoplanet. Located in the habitable zone of our nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri. What mystery lies in this distant world? Is it capable of supporting life? Let's have a look into what the James Webb Telescope just revealed. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Envision Space. Let's dive into the video. Launched on December 18th, 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope is the most powerful and advanced space telescope ever built. A joint project by NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. The James Webb Telescope is designed to explore the universe in infrared wavelengths, providing unprecedented clarity and sensitivity. Equipped with a 6.5-meter primary mirror, the telescope is positioned at the second Lagrange point, allowing it to observe the cosmos with minimal interference from Earth's atmosphere. Astronomers are especially interested in the habitable zone, surrounding stars, because that's where life as we know it has the highest chance of emerging. Thus, it should come as no surprise that Proxima b, the name we give to our nearest known exoplanet, piques the intense interest of astronomers. Discovered in 2016, Proxima b orbits Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star located just over 4 light-years away from our solar system. What makes Proxima b interesting is its location within the habitable zone, a region where conditions may be suitable for liquid water to exist, a key ingredient for life as we know it. The exoplanet's potential habitability has spurred interest among astronomers, making it a prime target for the James Webb Space Telescope's observational capabilities. Proxima Centauri b, Earth's cousin, is not just any ordinary rock. This planet is a mystery and a wonder. Could it be another Earth, complete with seas and many kinds of life? There's more, though. Proxima Centauri b is not alone in its journey around the red dwarf star. Proxima Centauri c, a super-Earth, is one of its fellow travelers. And who knows what else this stellar system could be hiding? Maybe another companion we haven't yet found. Proxima Centauri b is very similar in size to Earth, with a mass of 1.17 Earth masses. It orbits its star in only 11.2 days in contrast to Earth's year-long orbit around the Sun. That means Proxima Centauri b is much closer to its star than Earth is to the Sun. But because the star is a red dwarf, much smaller and cooler than our Sun, its orbit is indeed within the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri. Surprisingly, Proxima Centauri b receives about the same amount of solar energy from its star that Earth does from our Sun. Does this indicate that there is water, possibly even life, on its surface? When we travel outside of our solar system, we find a whole new world of exoplanets. Proxima Centauri b orbits the red dwarf Proxima Centauri, which is part of the Alpha Centauri triple star system. The closest star system to our own solar system is formed by Rigil Cantoris, also known as Alpha Centauri A, Talaman, also known as Alpha Centauri b, and Proxima Centauri, also known as Alpha Centauri c, with a peak apparent magnitude of 0.27. The two stars Rigil Cantoris and Talaman, which form the binary Alpha Centauri AB, appear as a single star within the Centaurus constellation. They rank as the third brightest in our night sky. Proxima Centauri, sometimes referred to as Alpha Centauri c, is a red dwarf, men-type, star located 0.21 light-years from the other two stars, around 13,000 times the distance from Earth to the Sun. It is the closest star to us. Proxima Centauri means the nearest star of Centaurus in Latin, and it was discovered in 1915 by Scottish astronomer Robert Thorburn Aidan Innes. Even though it's the closest star to us, we are unable to see it with the naked eye. as it has an apparent magnitude of 11.13. Red dwarf stars like Proxima Centauri are among the most efficient in terms of energy production. Their internal convection process keeps them glowing for trillions of years. Even though they don't generate much energy, Proxima Centauri will continue to exist as a main sequence star for about 4 trillion years. Nonetheless, there is ongoing debate on the habitability of a red dwarf star such as Proxima Centauri. It is a flare star, which means its fluctuations are frequent and unpredictable. And because it is a low-mass star, its habitable zone is much closer than that of the Sun, estimated to be between 0.023 and 0.0540. It might seem like a promising planet, but appearances can be deceiving. Proxima b receives hundreds of times more intense ultraviolet radiation from its star than Earth does from the Sun. This radiation is strong enough to destroy nitrogen, oxygen, and even small hydrogen molecules. Furthermore, being the right distance from a star doesn't guarantee habitability. The planet may lack a protective atmosphere needed to regulate climate and support liquid water. Without it, life would be virtually impossible, as living things would be exposed to hazardous space weather. For this reason, many scientists believe Proxima b is not capable of supporting life. Still, some hold hope for discovering the truth about Proxima b. The James Webb Space Telescope has released a high-resolution image of the planet, capturing unprecedented details of its surface features, atmosphere, and overall composition. This achievement was made possible by its advanced instruments, including the near-infrared camera and the mid-infrared instrument, which can peer through cosmic dust and provide a clearer view of distant worlds. The newly unveiled image holds immense scientific significance. Astronomers can now analyze the atmospheric composition, identify potential biomarkers, and study climate patterns. Thanks to a recent study using the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists have learned more about Proxima Centauri's solar wind and the challenges for Proxima b. The planet receives nearly 1,000 times the solar wind radiation that Earth does, meaning that strong flares might endanger any possible life. The April 2021 Proxima Centauri flare was 100 times more powerful than any solar flare ever recorded on the Sun. Without specialized protection, life would struggle to survive such intense radiation. The idea of a habitable planet around Proxima Centauri is exciting, but the reality may be less friendly. When a strange signal from the Alpha Centauri system was detected in late 2020, excitement spiked. The signal had an unusual frequency of 982.551 MHz, which suggested it could have been produced by artificial equipment. This raised hopes that finding extraterrestrial life on the nearest planet to our solar system might not be as far-fetched as once thought. Some projects aim to drastically shorten the travel time to Alpha Centauri from hundreds of years to just a few decades. The Breakthrough Starshot project is exploring the idea of using lasers to accelerate a spacecraft to 20% the speed of light. Earth's atmosphere presents challenges as it distorts lasers and incoming light, but the plan involves using small lasers on satellites to correct atmospheric effects in real time. The system would require 100 gigawatts of power for just 10 minutes to launch a probe, equivalent to the total electricity usage of the United States over that time, distributed across 100 million lasers over 1 square kilometer. Once launched, the probe could reach Alpha Centauri in about 22 years. However, it might be slowed by the Sun's gravitational pull and interstellar debris, and it would take another 4 years for its signals to reach Earth. The exciting part is that once the launch system is built, multiple probes could be sent cheaply, increasing the chance of spotting Earth-like worlds. When humanity eventually reaches Proxima Centauri, an entire star system will be waiting to explore. How many more planets like Earth are out there? Our universe is full of exoplanets, some enormous gas giants, others more Earth-like. Gas giant exoplanets, sometimes called superjupiters, are of special interest because of their size and composition. The first confirmed discovery of exoplanets was made in 1992 around the pulsar. The first found around a Sun-like star was in 1995. Since then, missions like Kepler have revealed thousands more, including Earth-sized ones. NASA Administrator Bill Nelson has called these discoveries the dawn of a new era in science, offering a fresh perspective on the cosmos and inspiring scientists worldwide. With every new image, the James Webb Space Telescope adds another piece to the puzzle of our universe's history. The fact that Proxima Centauri b is the closest confirmed potentially habitable world raises fascinating questions about life beyond Earth. It's an important step in the search for habitable planets. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting space-related content. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.